Hey girl, I know you're fit to go get that long-term protective style, but if you haven't prepped your hair right, your hair might be breaking off and getting damaged within your long-term protective style. If you need a tip and a trick, then this video is for you. Hey guys, Naturally Marked here. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you see me, so I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam bam. We're going to jump right into the shower to get our hair freshly washed, detangled, clarified, and hydrated. This is the key formula to starting out a long protective style correctly. I've had these 4 braids in my hair for a month. The products you see here on the screen is what I chose to use for this particular Kinky Twist installment, detangle and deep condition, and also clarifying shampoos. And also my DIY hair oil, but all the other products will be listed down in the description box for you guys, or you can take a screenshot of the products here on the screen. I have low porosity hair, type 4, high density. My hair is not color treated, nor does it have any type of chemical on it, and the water is just repelling off of my hair. This is how I know I have low porosity hair, and also this can mean that you have buildup on your hair strands. So I like to get my hair thoroughly wet for about 10 minutes in the shower. Immediately after rinsing out all the old product, I will go in and shampoo my hair twice to ensure my scalp and hair strands have been relieved from all of the old product on my hair and also my scalp to avoid dryness, tangles, and hair damage when I put my hair in my natural kinky twist. Ensuring that the full length and scalp on my head is getting thoroughly clean, I will go in and detangle the ends of my hair with my brush gently, very gently, and then I will go in with my cream conditioner shampoo. It is the greatest thing ever. It helps with detangling and also clarifying my hair without making my hair feel dry or making my hair feel like hay. So I do put in the conditioning shampoo on the top of the liquid shampoo. After all sections has been thoroughly cleansed twice, I like to go in further and detangle my hair with my brush while I rinse out the shampoo. I like to detangle my hair with the brush while the water is running down the length of my hair. This helps avoid breakage and also keeps my hair elongated so it doesn't shrink up on itself while I'm trying to rinse out the rest of the shampoo and get it in its sections to start prepping it to be deep conditioned. My hair is now thoroughly clean and I'm going to go in with my deep conditioning mask of my choice. I like to continuously dip my hair under the water to make sure that I distribute the product throughout the strands of my hair. It really makes my hair suzz up and it really helps distribute the product through my thick hair. And then I will go in further and massage my scalp and also brush this section of my hair to make sure each and every strand of hair has deep conditioner on it. Once again, going in with that deep conditioner, and I do not use a dime size amount. My hair is too thick for that. I use a nice glob. We need to start normalizing a nice glob in the natural hair community. There is no longer a dime size amount of anything. This was a brand new bottle of a deep conditioner, and my hair used this full bottle in one setting. So yay, we've made it to the last section and I'm scraping the bottle clean, but we're going to apply that deep conditioner from the roots, inside, and also down the tips of the hair, grabbing the brush to make sure all the strands of the hair gets deep conditioner on it, while also rehydrating my hair with dipping my head back and forth under the water. I will let this deep conditioning mask sit on my hair for about 30 minutes and I will do so under a heated cap. Okay guys, it's time to let this deep conditioning mask sit under our hooded cap for 30 minutes. I will have to say, out of the entire process of washing my hair, this is my least favorite. I do not like getting out of the shower to plug in my heated cap, but it is very necessary if you have low porosity, high density hair. You also can get away with deep conditioning your hair under just a plastic bag, but once again, if your hair is low porosity, heat is best. Now that I've let my deep conditioner sit for 30 minutes, it is time to prep your hair for your protective style. This is where I like to go in and section off my hair in order to put in my kinky twist. So because I don't want to do my kinky twist on blow dried hair, I'm starting my kinky twist off on wet, freshly washed hair. This is the way I section my hair before getting out of the shower. It just makes it a lot easier, and it also lets the deep conditioner sit in my hair a lot longer. So I like to section my hair in the 4 sections once again, and then I will take those 4 sections and I will split that section in half, as you can see here on the screen, and then I will take the bottom section and split that in half as well. So on the 1/4 of my head, I will have 4 sections in 1/4. And here I am showing you guys a quick length check. I haven't did a length check for you guys in a minute, and I just remembered. So if you got this far into this video, then here's a treat for you. A nice length check to show you guys that I am fully at waist length, and I'm surpassing bra strap length now, and I am on my way back to booty crack length hair. Okay, so now that those 4 twists are complete, I will wrap that up into a big bun and I will start on the next section. The front 2 sections of my hair, I will only put 3 twists in each quarter section on the front half of my hair. The back quarter sections of my hair will get 4 braids. So once again, these front sections will get 3 twists, and the 2 back sections will get 4 twists within each section. To fully care, detangle, and thoroughly clarify my hair, this process took 2 hours. Yes, I do sit down periodically to take time and detangle my hair a little further, but when your hair is thick and long, wash day is a lot longer. And if you rush through this process, your protective style will be in jeopardy. So we're going to start with the 4 sections in this back section and then finish off with the 3 twists in the front section. Hey, if you're still here, please leave a hand clap emoji down below for the length retention that my hair has fully got back down to waist length and just celebrating growth and healthy hair. Okay, here is all the shed hair that I lost in this wash day. And mind you, my hair had been in those 4 big braids at the beginning of the video for a month. So this is not a bad amount of hair. You lose 100 strands of hair a day. So this is a pretty normal size amount for my length and my density. Please give me a thumbs up in the comment section if you made it this far, and let me know if you clean the bathroom like this before getting out. You guys rinse out that shower cap and wash off all your products. I do. It just makes, like, I don't know, your stuff is so gummy after you get out of the shower. So I just like to thoroughly clean all my hair supplies off, and then I will go in and rinse my hair out thoroughly because I did have that deep conditioner still left in my hair. So I rinse all of my deep conditioning mask out of my hair, and then I like to go in with the styler of my choice. So whatever I'm going to style my hair with, then that's what I'm going to put in my hair. And then you guys, please just stay tuned for the next video. I'm going to show you how to properly twist your hair or whatever protective style you're going to put in. I'm going to show you the correct steps to hydrated, nice protective style so you can wear your protective style longer than 2 weeks. So just stay tuned for that video, and I am going to do my protective style on wet hair. Once again, I need to seal in that moisture with my oil, and then I'm going to put my plastic bag on my hair to help my hair stay wet until I'm ready to start kinky twisting my hair. So if this video really helped you guys, please give me a thumbs up. Leave comments down below if this is how you prep your natural hair to put it in whatever protective style of your choice. Leave comments down below and let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.